Meaning of Dorothy L Sayers.
Dorothy L Sayers.
Dorothy L Sayers.
Dorothy L Sayers.
Dorothy L Sayers. Dorothy L Sayers was an English crime writer and poet, born in 1893 and died in 1957. She is best known for her detective novels featuring the character Lord Peter Wimsey, which were popular during the golden age of detective fiction. In addition to her fiction writing, Sayers was also a scholar of medieval literature and an advocate for women's education and employment. Her legacy continues to be felt in the crime and mystery genres, and she remains a respected figure in English literature and feminist history.